Hello, welcome to the video presentation for my budget manager application. Uh, Thank you as you listen. So this app uses a window forms GUI and a separate DELL to perform core business logic like calculating totals, checking budget limits, and summarizing expenses. As you can see right here on the right hand side, you can see the solution explorer. As you can see, I have created a solution named budget manager solution. Inside the solution, we have two projects. The first project is the budget manager app, which is the primary project. It contains the GUI for the user, and the second one is up here, the budget helper library, which is a DLL project that contains the reusable logic for expense calculations. So for the project reference explanation, you can see, so to connect the GUI to the DLL, I added a project reference. So I did this by right clicking on budget manager app, then I select add, then I went to reference, then I did the budget app library, which I've already checked, and I press OK, which is there already. I already did it. And you can see DLL was already listed as a reference folder of the budget manager app. So inside this budget help library, you can see the budget calculator.cs file. It contains methods like add expense to the list right here, like get total. You can see that like it's over budget. You can see get expense summary. So all of the expense calculations and storage logic are handled here. It also uses a list to store expense data and arrays to summarize it. If we go to my main form right here, my main form, you see I created the GUI using codes, and this includes text box, combo box, label, buttons to add expense and to show a summary. And I also use methods like down here you see methods like if. I use methods like the if statements and loops, and I also undo data types like strings, doubles, and arrays to implement all my UI elements, and I use code only. So let's run the the app right here. We click start. It's still loading. Then it's gonna bring us over here. Right here you can type the expense name. We can say fish, the amount. We can say maybe $100 fish. The category, as you can see, so the fish is food. We can say food. Actually, let's enlarge this screen. We can put it as food. Then we can add it right here. You see it's change. The price here change, and we can actually show, see, the expense summary will show the list of food or the list of stuff with budgeting and the amount, and we press OK. Uh, so let me keep demonstrating. So let's say we're traveling and we need to buy gas. We can say gas amount. Let's say we're going to a far place, depending on the miles, we can say 200. Down here, we can check it. We can say transport, yeah. Then we can say add. It automatically add the total for you. And when you click show, it's gonna show everything. But just so you know, I made it to be in a situation where you don't you can't budget over the limit of 1,000. So let's say you need to pay house rent and the house rent is 1,297. No, sorry, that's for the name. Let's say rent and the house rent is 1,297. And should we say utilities for house rent or should we say other? Will it be utilities or other for house rent? Yeah, it will be utilities. So I'll say hard. See, it immediately tells you you're over budget and you 1,000 limit exceeded. But the good thing about this is it's still gonna add up everything for you regardless. Then you still press show, you see, everything is there for the fish, for the gas, for the rent, and that's so this conclude the walkthrough for my DLL project, business logic, and a GUI for user interaction with full use of variables, conditionals, loops, arrays, and the control app user friendly. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate. God bless.